270 awning that I've been wanting to get for a very long time, and I'm so excited. So just got to install these brackets. They're pretty nice and solid ones, definitely a lot better than what I had on my Ironman 2.5 meter by 2.5 meter one. So just gonna screw them on, chuck them on the car, show you guys what it looks like when it's open, and yeah, hopefully when I get to Moreton Island at the end of this month, I'll be able to show you guys it while camping. I also bought a Darche awning tent that connects off to the side of it, so I'll be able to show all that at the end of the month if you guys subscribe and follow, stick around. Okay, so this is the weather that I'm hoping to not get when I go to Moreton Island, because yes, that does not look like fun. So what I've used for these bolts is one of these little T-shaped slide-ins. You just slide in along and pull across. So this is a roller roof rack, and pretty much every roof rack has one of these, but that's what I like so much about these, is I can install these along any one of the grooves. I will probably get another packet so that instead of just having one singular bolt in the middle, I'll put one on each side and it'll be a little bit more secure. But as it is, it's already got the 3 brackets on them, so it is nice and solid. It's not going anywhere, it's not moving, and it's another bonus of having a platform rack is you can jump up on your car and it's super easy to work on. Seems pretty cool.
Goes all the way around, doesn't it?
Yeah. So this is what the awning looks like when it's up. Literally took about a minute to put up. You've just got 2 posts at the front that wrap around this way, and you just have a strap and you tie it off down. and then you got 4 posts this way that tie around onto your roof rack. So I thought I'd explain why I went for the Darche 270 awning. It's not just for the extra protection. Like, I do like how the Darche has that little extension out the front that sort of wraps around the side, not quite the front, but the front side of your car, while a lot of other 270 awnings sort of just pop out where the awning is and wraps around the back. So I like how this one extends further up. There are other brands like that, but I like Darche. It's a good Australian owned company. I know there are lots of other Australian companies that make, you know, the awnings and the 270 awnings, but I just overall like Darche, and I think they're a pretty good brand. Done a lot of research into it, and yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. As I said, I'll be taking it to Moreton Island, and I'll be able to show you guys a proper walk around. I'll give you guys a walk around of my camp at night time so you can see what it actually looks like. And that's another thing that I like about the Darche awning, or 270 awnings in general, is because it's got extra poles coming out. I'll be able to put my lights in it and it'll give me overall better light, you know, in the dark. So there's another reason why. I did like the Darche as well. Very small reason, like definitely not the overall reason why I got Darche, is because the actual casing that the awning's in is black. Like, my Ironman one was a khaki yellowy green colour. I don't really know how to explain what colour, but I didn't like the look of that on my roof rack. So my roof rack's black, you know, my side step's black. Overall my car's a very dark coloured car, and just having some weird yellowy green khaki, you know, awning, it's sort of, you know, I bet nobody else ever really cared or noticed, but you know, that's just something that I like. Like, I like having the Darche one now because it's black. Yeah, that's a very small percentage of the reason. Like, I couldn't care less what it looks like. It's more about the functions. But yeah, that's definitely like a benefit to having the Darche, is like a nice black casing.